We've come to follow only one goal: to organize the best summer school ELSA has ever seen. My name is Cătălin Zbravu, and I'm the current president of ELSA Bucharest and the head of Organizing Committee at our SELS.
When I was assigned to manage this project, it became clear to me that we were finally facing the opportunity to become the best. As a consequence, the only question that remained unanswered was, how can we make the most of this opportunity? How can we reach this ambitious goal? The answer was simple: dedication, precision, and innovation. Every single aspect in the organizing process of our summer school had to be innovative and precisely well planned and managed. From lectures to parties, from the accommodation to the careful management of participants, from building the organizing committee to evaluating potential risks. Each member of the team was carefully evaluated and analyzed before being chosen from a large pool of candidates consisting of our best prepared people. We took into consideration their backgrounds, their behavioral templates, their skills and knowledge, their reaction in crisis cells and to stress, their ability to adapt and develop themselves. Each branch of management had its particular requirements, but one was common for them all: the candidate's ability to innovate and to bring something new to the table. The thirst for progress and perfection is what defines us. Now, I wouldn't want to spoil all of the awesome stuff my colleagues prepared for you, so for now, stay tuned for the upcoming interviews with the OC members. Summer ELSA Bucharest Law School on Mergers and Acquisitions. Come along on our journey to become the